Hello, I've got used Elektron 4 and I want to take care about it. I want to do some cleaning and I want to take a look at what's inside and what I can clean and make it work better, longer, without issue in my workflow. So I just want you guys to show what we can take care of and what we can clean. For this job, to do that, we need the simplest brushes, a little key, just Vaseline and some skill. First of all, we need to carefully pull these perfect knobs just gently with two, like this, like holding two pieces and pulling from the faceplate, like doing finger exercises. You know, the climbers used to do the fingers exercises, and now we can make those just carefully pulling two of the fingers, pushing from this faceplate body. There's nothing else. We need to take off the body, and now we can use this little key to open these screws. Well, I already turned on this device. It works flawlessly without any problem. I just want to take a look how much dust there and what I can clean to make it last longer with no problem. You know, these devices are excellent. This is a 4-voice synthesizer with amazing step sequencer, and some people may say, oh, it's only 4-voice, or otherwise 4-track limitation like digitone, but there is no such thing as a 4-track or 4-voice when you using the step locking possibilities of Elektron devices, because you can use each step without limiting yourself. Now, we already unscrewed all of the nuts, all of the bolts here, and now we need gently to pull up this plate and these two cables, flex cables inside. It's similar to the MIDI cables. We need to pull the connector of the motherboard, or probably in other way around. I will lean this face up, and you can see there is almost nothing to clean. Just like easiest job I can do is to check this. Yeah, just nothing we can do here. Everything is clean and everything is taken care of, you know. So what will I do next? I will just use a little Vaseline to take care of this. Knobs. Yeah, that's it. I think so. I can check them. Yeah. Well, I'll get those bolts back. By the way, if you remove the faceplate off of the keyboard, you'll find in this place small resistor that can be used to regulate the brightness of the LCD screen, and you can fix some issues with the faded screen over time. This model has this kind of issue when the LCD screen is fading with the time of usage, and you can a little bit fix the amount of brightness, and then it will work another couple years until you can replace it, substitute with another greater quality screen, and continue use this kind of older device with no problem at all. Thanks to the Elektron company for such an amazing voicing device. Sounding good. I am tightening it just gently without applying too much force. You can see I'm doing not a linear fixation of the bolts. I am kind of layering like this too. Okay, now I can put it's making push and click. Push and click. Yeah, this is it. It's my mother calling me from an occupied Ukraine territory. Yeah. that's it. Thank you for your attention. Well, I decided to check if it's okay after my cleaning job, and I want to ensure everything is working. By the way, you can check your Elektron device with simple built-in test. You just hold the function key, turn on, choose number 1, test mode, and it will make the internal testing. Then you can press buttons and check if all of them are properly lit in green and red. And also this display can be lit fully. You can see, you can check all the pixels and all the graphical information, and then get back to function to test screen. Probably one of the key are this one. Everything is working fine. Now I just want to take a look at the mute buttons. Is it everything okay with it? Yeah, no problem. Everything is working. Okay, so when you need to clean your Elektron device, you know how to do that. Just unscrew those bolts, take off the knobs, lean the front panel, and clean with brush the inner space, maybe with air or some air blower. Just use some brush tea and Vaseline to make the dust bar under your knobs. The Vaseline will stop all the dust and all the hairs, and just to get into the box. It will collect under the buttons, and you will be easy. It will be easy to clean the buttons, like taking one of them and taking out all the dust that collects under the button with Vaseline. Okay, feel free to make your device clean. If you have any question, you can ask me down below the comments, and subscribe for more videos like that. I am open for your questions, open for communication, and have a good time then. Bye.